Ayan po, Burnok Mangusong. Ayan, Burnok Mangusong mga idol. Dito po si
disappointed
Burnok
dahil hindi tayo
Mangusong.
makakalaro ngayon. Dahil sa injury natin.
Terence
And,
Napat, Hilsid Maninggo.
kumbaga mixed emotions dahil
Ayan.
we were still invited to be here. Naramdaman ko yung suporta na Pasig City na talagang pinapunta tayo dito despite na injured tayo, hindi tayo makakapag-perform. So I feel it's not only business about Mayor Steven Palmares. It's also the friendship and support na when your friend is down, you are there to lift them up and masayahin tayo kahit na hindi tayo makakabigay ng kumbaga karera para sa taga-Pasig. So, just being here is reminding me of many things, but ang pinakatumatak sa akin is yung support sa pagkakaibigan namin ni Mayor. Talagang masaya ako dahil